Hello everyone, it's Ben at TV Parts Today, and I would like to be your DIY TV repair guide. In today's video, we are going to be covering some steps that we can take if our remote control is not working. So the first step is to ensure that the batteries have a good charge and are inserted correctly. So we can use new batteries just to make sure that the charge is good. And when it comes to inserting the batteries correctly, we just want to make sure that the positive side of the battery is on the positive connection and that the negative side of the battery is on the negative connection. The negative connection will usually have a minus sign or a negative symbol, and it will also have a spring that the flat side of the battery sets against. If we've made sure that the batteries have a good charge and are inserted properly, the next step would be to make sure that the remote is sending the IR signal to the TV. Normally, we cannot see IR signals with the naked eye, but we can use our phone camera to make sure that that signal is being sent. If we take our phone camera and point it at the small bulb on the front of the remote control, we should see a pinkish or a purplish light when we hit a button. If we are not seeing that light, then that could mean that the remote is not functioning properly and would need to be replaced. But it is important to keep in mind that not all remotes are going to have this small bulb on the front. If our remote is sending a signal to the TV, but the TV is not responding to any of those inputs, we would need to ensure that the remote is paired with our TV. Almost every single remote has a different process for pairing to a television, so I would recommend using any online resources that we can find to determine that process of pairing our specific remote with our specific television. If we've confirmed that our remote is paired to our television and is sending a good IR signal, this could mean that the IR receiver in our television is not functioning properly and would need to be replaced. This board could be on its own, it could be integrated onto the Wi-Fi board, or it could be integrated onto the main board. If we're using a smart TV that's connected to our home's Wi-Fi network, there are also some universal remote apps that could work with your specific brand and model of TV, but you would want to check compatibility first. All right, that's going to do it for today's video. If you have any more questions about your remote or you just wanted to run some things past us, you can give us a call at 930-212-1975, or you can send us an email at info@tvpartstoday.com. That's info@tvpartstoday.com, and we will see you next time.